Hey guys, Old Man here again. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. So many dunks this year. Not really paying attention on what it was like in the previous years, but I'm guessing this has been pushed hard this year. With that said, let's take a close look at the Nike Dunk Low in Goldenrod colorway. Yellow is probably the most popular colorway component for sneakers this year. It feels like the color of choice in 2021. We've had the reverse Goldenrods high, the Jordan 1 Pollens, the Jordan 4 Lightning, and well, not really this year, but late last year was the Varsity Mace Dunk. Outside of Nike, the M&M Forums and Atmos Forum lows were also mostly yellow. I'm not complaining. Love this color on sneakers. The materials on this are nice, not Georgetown quality, but decent enough. Not really sure why I got this. I think I got the case of FOMO on this and decided that I should have them as well. Actually, it's kind of bad because now I'm compelled to get the reverse Goldenrods and the Varsity Mace to complete the colorway set. Wearability wise, this seems very wearable and easy to style. So even if I had the case of FOMO on this, I wouldn't really think of it as a bad purchase. With all the dunks that we've had this year, I can say that you can sit this one out if you're on the fence. But if you like the colorway, then you probably should get it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and follow me on Instagram.